In this tutorial, we are going to learn on how to start a blog in 2025. There are many questions people ask. People just comment on how can you start a blog in 2025? Is blog in 2025 profitable or not? And I want to tell you in this tutorial, I'll teach you on how to start a blog in 2025. Please just watch this video until the end, and you'll be aware on how to start a blog in 2025. Now what you need is go to your browsers, maybe Chrome browser or Microsoft Edge browser, and in the tab you'll search for a blogger, and you will observe a domain here, www.blogger.com, where you'll be able to create a unique and beautiful blog, maybe a blog for your company, for products, or for a certain link where you need to monetize your visitors and whatever. Here, let us know on how to create a new blog. Once you visit a blogger.com website, you will see this one where you can share technology news, you can share micro cooking blogs, tech links. Also, you can share different technologies on how to perfectly design clothes, whatever. Also, you will be able to put a certain or entire domain for your blog. Also, you can get free domains here. Also, you will be able to earn money on your blog via AdSense account, because it is defaultly connected to the AdSense. Also, you can track your audience. Also, you can share different memos to the people who can visit this and see about your blog. Now, let us know on how to create a blog. Step number one is to sign in or to sign up. For example, if I have already having a blog, I will sign in. If I do not have any blog yet, I do not have any blog before, I will sign up. Here now, I will go to the sign up, or I will click a create your blog button like this one. Once you have created it, you have clicked it, it brings you here. This happens like this because I do not have any email in this my browser. If you have already having an email, it will ask you to continue to a certain email that you have been logged in on your browser. For example, you are using a PC, and on your PC you have installed maybe a Chrome browser. Therefore, you will see your email where you can just allow your email to create a blogger account. Here is where now you can write your email. After writing your email, now you will be able to write a title about your blog. Do you see? This is a title that will be appeared or displayed at the top of your blog. This is also the title where people can search on Google or on various search engines, and it will be easily for the visitors to access your blog. And now, let us continue. I will try to write a blogger tutor USA maybe, or Africa, a title like this one. Do you see? I have wrote a title here. Now there is a part of writing URL for your blog. Do you see? Note, once you are writing URL, be aware of it. Don't put any space on URL. Also, I will advise you to use underscore in writing if you need to put a space, because URL have its format. Also, URL has effect in SEO ranking. So you need to be very careful on creating your URL for your entire blog. You see, let me write it properly so that it will be available. For example, this blogger Twitter Africa, maybe let me write something like this. You see, it is available, so I can save it. Now let me try to save it. This one may take up to 5 or 10 seconds, like this one. Now let us wait for a moment. Now it has been opened like this one. Do you see? Now do you see, this is a demo of blogger post that I have been tried to write about. It is just a new blog. There is no visitors. You see, there is a count about 4 visitors, which is mine because I didn't share it anywhere. Here there is option of writing. There is a section where you can track comments about your blog. Also, there is a section where you can connect it to your AdSense account and start earning money through that blog. Also, there is another section where you can see or manages different pages. Do you see? These pages, for example, contact us pages, terms and condition pages, about us, also disclaimers. For example, if we have created a blog about a certain company, maybe I would advise you to write here a pages like store. If a company is dealing with a certain product, for example, if a company is dealing with production or distribution maybe of mailing, here there you will be able to write a pages like stores where people can access different products about milk where you are selling. Also is a place where you can write different default pages. For example, sign up, some people can use it to write such pages. Also, I will teach you in the next tutorial on how to customize these pages so that you will be able to get AdSense approval as easily as possible if you follow their terms and conditions. Now, let us proceed to another section, which is layout. In layout is another section of the blogger where you can add, you can remove, or you can edit different gadgets on your blog. You can click and drag drop by arranging different gadgets. For example, if you need to edit some columns, widths, whatever on your blog, you need to edit it on the layout. Also, there is a section of themes where you will be able to customize various themes on your blog. You'll be able to manage on how your blog will look like. For example, this is a contemporary themes. Here, if there is a Soho theme, if you want to write a blog maybe about pets, whatever. This is Emporio theme like this one. Do you see how beautiful it? But you may also be able to create your own theme. These themes are just codes which are XML codes. Some people, if you learn more, you will be advanced more on how to create different blogger websites. You'll be able to code it and put it to your custom themes where you will be able to track and manage different things on your website. For example, some people do not like this appearance of themes. What they need to do is by coding their own website, by coding their codes, HTML, JavaScript, and CSS codes so that they can create the appearance of their website. And the next in the next videos, I'll teach you on how to create, on how to put custom themes on a blogger website. Let us proceed to the other sections, because there is a lot of themes over here, of course.